Welcome back to my channel once again. My menu today is jerk chicken. Jerk chicken. So this time I'm gonna use chicken thigh to do my jerk chicken. But before I show you all the ingredients I'm gonna use for my jerk sauce, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, can you please subscribe, like, share, follow, comment. Thank you. So I'm gonna put this aside. Okay. So for my jerk sauce, I got fresh ginger, lime juice, scallions or green onions. I got pimiento pepper here, vinegar, white onion or yellow onion, or you can use red one. Nutmeg. I'm gonna use chili flakes. The main chili that you have to use is Scotch bonnet, but if you don't have it, you can substitute with any other hot chili, good chili. That's soya sauce, Scotch bonnet, brown sugar, garlic, and the star, allspice, thyme. So I get all my ingredients around. I'm going to puree, and when I finish, I'll show you the end results. So I've blended all my ingredients, and I'm going to add the rest to it. So my spice, allspice, and nutmeg. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to add oil to it. Oil. See, the color is already changing. This is my jerk sauce or spice. So I'm going to add brown sugar. Adding brown sugar to it. Brown sugar gonna caramelize the chicken and give it some kind of sweetness. Black pepper. That's salt. I'm gonna stir. And my soya sauce, dark soya sauce. Jerk sauce. Jerk sauce. So I'm going to marinate my chicken. This is my chicken. So I'm going to pour my sauce. My sauce is smooth. You can choose not to make it smooth, a little bit chunky, it's fine. Provided you get a taste and you get the right ingredient for it. It's not a big deal. This is my chicken, jerk chicken marinated. I'm gonna leave this in the fridge. I want the chicken to absorb all the flavors for the jerk sauce or jerk spice. So this is my jerk sauce. Done. Yeah, my oven has been preheated, so I'm gonna roast my chicken. That's my jerk chicken. I'm gonna put it in the oven right now. It's gonna take about 35 minutes to cook. Okay, so come with me. Let's go. This is my raw one, marinated. So I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay. And set the chicken to the thermometer. Hey. So my jerk chicken is almost done. I got my rice and peas for beef. I'm gonna serve with my jerk chicken. It's gonna be delicious. Yeah, folks, jerk chicken is ready. Look how beautiful it is. Beautiful. So, this is huge. Oh, all right. Okay. Yeah, so it's jerk chicken ready to devour. Hooray, hooray! Now, jerk chicken is done. Everything is done. What I'm gonna do now is to do the plate. Got my rice and beans. I have veg. Veg. See this way too. Just put it flat like this. Sauce. Almost done. I am almost done. We're gonna garnish with green onions. I'm done. This is my jerk chicken. Hey, I'm Chef Solomon. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you. See you next time, the next episode.
Goodbye.